Most whole house water filters sold today promise perfection but deliver disappointing flow and limited contaminant removal. Buy wrong and you'll waste money and still encounter poor water quality. Are you tired of guessing which filter actually protects your family from contaminants? This video breaks down the top options so you can choose confidently. Today, I'm going to be going over the best whole house water filter that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the iSpring WGB32BM. This whole house water filter unit features a premium brushed aluminum shell that feels sturdy and durable in everyday use. Ideal for families who want reliable iron and manganese filtration at the main water supply while preserving beneficial minerals. The design follows a practical 3-stage filtration path that covers sediment removal, iron reduction, and carbon filtration to address broad contaminants. The system maintains a strong flow with up to 15 gallons per minute under typical household conditions. The first stage uses a high-capacity sediment filter rated to remove particles down to 5 microns, boosting overall water quality. The second stage employs a coconut shell carbon block to efficiently remove chlorine and odors while preserving essential minerals. Both filters are independently tested to NSF ANSI standards, and each cartridge is rated for 100,000 gallons of filtered water. In a direct comparison with a typical home reverse osmosis setup, this whole house filtration unit keeps minerals and does not reduce TDS. The pros include easy DIY installation, iron and manganese filtration, and long cartridge life. The cons include higher upfront cost and regular cartridge replacements. In real-world testing, the unit delivers practical reductions in iron and chlorine with minimal pressure loss, making it a solid choice for many homes. The compact footprint and standard cartridge sizes keep installation flexible in a utility space. This whole house system does not remove minerals or lower TDS, and it is not designed to replace a dedicated mineral removal system. Overall, the iSpring WGB32BM delivers dependable whole house filtration with strong support and a clear long-term value proposition. At number 4, we have the Express Water Whole House Filter. Initial impressions point to a full house filtration approach that covers every faucet and appliance with a 3-stage filtration system. The 4.5 by 20-inch standard cartridges fit a wide range of express water housings, ensuring compatibility and easy replacement. The heavy metal stage uses KDF media with catalytic carbon and copper zinc granules to reduce heavy metals such as iron, lead, nickel, and chromium. The anti-scale cartridge uses polyphosphate to protect plumbing from scale, corrosion, and sediment while improving taste and clarity. According to the manufacturer, the set can handle up to 100,000 gallons of water depending on incoming water quality. Filtering from the main water line keeps every faucet in the home delivering cleaner water for drinking, cooking, bathing, and laundry. In real-world testing, users report noticeable improvement in taste and reduced scale buildup after installation across kitchens and showers. Compared to typical under-sink 2-stage filters, this Express Water Whole House filter delivers comprehensive home-wide purification and simplifies maintenance. The pros include 3-stage filtration, heavy metal reduction, and long filter life. The cons include compatibility limitations and installation complexity. Cartridge replacement follows standard practice for home filter systems and can be completed without specialized tools by homeowners with basic DIY skills. The WH300S CKP compatibility note and installation steps help ensure a smooth fit into existing plumbing. Installation is compatible with standard housings and can be integrated into existing home plumbing with proper shutoff valves. Installation is straightforward with standard-size cartridges and clear manufacturer instructions, allowing hopeful homeowners to upgrade their water without major retrofitting. At number 3, we have the Waterdrop WF10F. From a homeowner perspective, this Waterdrop WF10F presents itself as a practical, ready-to-install solution for reducing iron and manganese. Its compatibility with common 10 by 4.5-inch housings makes it appealing to families and small businesses seeking straightforward upgrades. The first notable design attribute is a robust housing that feels sturdy and corrosion-resistant, delivering confident handling during install and routine maintenance. Its water filter footprint aligns with most 10 by 4.5-inch housings, simplifying retrofit projects without requiring specialized adapters. The unit targets iron and manganese removal with dual-layer filtration, achieving substantial reductions while preserving flow for household use. The lifespan extends to roughly 6 months between changes, as indicated by manufacturer guidance, reducing maintenance frequency and ensuring consistent water quality. By filtering contaminants before distribution, the WF10F helps prevent rusting and prolongs life of appliances and plumbing components. Its broad compatibility with multiple brands and models ensures easy integration into most existing systems without major overhauls. The WF10F supports a wide range of replacement models, reflecting flexible compatibility and reassuring long-term availability. When placed against a well-known competitor, the Waterdrop unit offers easier installation and longer filter life in typical home settings. The pros include easy installation with clear instructions, effective iron and manganese reduction in real water, and broad compatibility across brands. The cons include higher price point relative to basic filters, occasional limited availability in certain regions, and a slightly more involved installation footprint. The expected maintenance interval runs around 6 months, a detail echoed by the manufacturer and supported by a predictable replacement cadence. Bottom line, this Waterdrop WF10F stands out for homeowners seeking reliable iron and manganese reduction with broad compatibility and practical maintenance. At number 2, we have the Aquasana EQ-1000-AST-UV. For households seeking healthier water and simplified upkeep, this multi-stage system targets families by delivering safer water from every tap. Build quality reflects thoughtful engineering with rugged housing and durable connectors, ensuring long life in busy households while resisting corrosion and leaks. The compact footprint fits under most sinks or in utility closets, simplifying installation while leaving room for service access and routine maintenance. The filtration sequence combines carbon, KDF, and UV with salt-free scale control media to cut chlorine and inhibit mineral scale buildup. With a claimed capacity of up to 1 million gallons and a 10-year limited warranty, it promises extended service life before replacement. Unlike conventional salt softeners, this system does not soften water or add sodium, instead preventing scale while preserving beneficial minerals. Real-world performance shows noticeable chlorine reduction in tap water, resulting in crisper taste and improved skin and hair after regular use. The system hooks up to your main line and is designed to integrate with existing plumbing without complex retrofits or specialized tools. Maintenance is straightforward as there are no salt bags, backwashing, or electricity required, keeping ongoing costs low and requiring minimal periodic checks. Compared to a traditional salt-based water conditioner, this Aquasana unit preserves minerals while preventing scale and offering UV disinfection. The pros include salt-free scale control, exceptionally long system life, strong chlorine reduction, and simple low maintenance. The cons include a higher upfront cost and the necessity for professional installation to ensure proper integration with existing plumbing. In real-world use, the filtration, salt-free conditioning, and extended warranty combine to offer strong value in complex home systems. Overall, this Aquasana unit delivers comprehensive home water treatment with minimal maintenance, though price and installation considerations may influence choice. At number 1, we have the Waterdrop WHF3T PG. Initial impressions highlight a sturdy build and a target audience of households seeking reliable lead reduction, chlorine removal, and hassle-free maintenance. The design embraces a compact, modular silhouette with durable materials and simple mounting options that simplify installation and long-term durability. Its 1-inch inlet and outlet pairing ensures compatibility with standard plumbing, while a thoughtful compact footprint aids under sink or basement placement. Certification matters for safety, and this model proudly carries NSF/ANSI 372 certification, signaling lead-free construction and verified materials. The 12-month filter life is designed to cut ongoing replacement costs, while inclusive instructions help homeowners complete a safe, straightforward setup. Its 7-stage filtration tackles chlorine, odors, and tastes, plus sediment, rust, and sand, delivering consistently cleaner water to every faucet. Real-world testing shows a steady 15 gallons per minute flow, maintaining pressure across multiple fixtures during simultaneous use. Compared with typical 3-stage filters, the Waterdrop WF3T PG emphasizes lead safety and water supply for municipal and well sources. The pros include lead-free materials, exceptionally reliable chlorine reduction, and a notably steady flow rate for simultaneous home use. The cons include higher price and installation may require extra effort in tight spaces. Field results corroborate the 12-month filter life expectation, while performance remains stable under typical household demand, minimizing downtime and nuisance maintenance. Designed to support both well water and municipal sources, it protects appliances and ensures reliable supply without frequent service interruptions. The final filtration stage adds a 5-micron barrier that traps larger particulates, contributing to clearer water and longer-lasting plumbing. Overall, this Waterdrop model stands out for safety, efficiency, and simple installation, making it a compelling choice for households seeking reliable water.